The Energise Tempo range of upright vacuums by Vax, Great Britain's leading floor care brand. Featuring single cyclonic technology, the Energise Tempo range can effectively pick up dirt across carpets, while the hard floor adapter optimises pickup on your hard floors. Its lightweight and portable design makes for effortless cleaning all around the home. Use the 2-in-1 crevice and dusting tool to clean above the floor with ease and capture harder to reach dirt and dust. The Turbo tool, available with select models, easily removes stubborn pet hair. Easy to use and lightweight, the Energise Tempo range of upright vacuums by Vax.